Good morning. This is Craig Anderson. This is part 4 of the VT-I, Twin Tec VT-I system for the old style points distributors. I've had a very frustrating time with this, and I just got off the phone with the Daytona Tech department to confirm what I talked about in the last video. The nose cone or shovel head engine with the cone on it, the cam runs in the opposite direction. It says right in their instructions that it runs in a counterclockwise direction, and these engines run in a clockwise direction with the arrow. It's the opposite way with the newer engines. That means, and they also reversed the cam. Now it might not be reversed for this newer engine, but it's definitely reversed here. So number 1 cylinder used to fire at the bottom or forward position, and now it's going to fire in the 180 degrees, or roughly 180 degrees from that. It's going to fire in the reverse or rearward position, and this number 2 cylinder is going to come right around and fire less than 180 degrees from that. So I had it in backwards. When I first got this, I noticed this is now called a rotor, and this was called a cam. I noticed that they were opposite of each other, and I couldn't figure that out, but I had to experiment to find out. When I talked to Daytona, the guy that I talked to had never done this either. So information is hard to get, and I asked them to correct their directions, because they certainly have it wrong for this engine. So this rotor goes in, it can only go in one way, and when it's in right, it goes in down all the way down the shaft. And now that it's in, and I've also got the rotor, or the module, in roughly the right spot. Maybe you can see, I just turned it, so it's probably way off now. The red light goes on and off. That's the signal. So we got to turn this to the point where it red. Now, when you do it a few times, it locks itself up, so it doesn't work. Now the red light is on. We're going to turn the cam and see where we're at. This is going to the advanced position. Nothing happened. So we're going to turn it, retard it a little bit. Do it again. Turn it back. There it went off. That would be the correct timing. The light just went off. The engine is right now set at the 35-degree retarded position, or advanced position. And now this is set so that when the cam is advanced, it turns the light off. That would be correct. Now I'm going to put this together and try to start the bike. If I get it running, I'll do another